Okay, so I'm on my way to the first job this morning. I have Barbara. She's up on the beach here in Jensen Beach, and she has a Samsung dryer. And she turns it on, and the drum doesn't turn, but she hears a humming sound. So the customer complaint is that they turn on their Samsung dryer, and the lights come on. You could select a selection, then you press start, and you hear an audible buzz, but nothing happens. It doesn't turn, and then the buzz stops. So we verified the customer complaint, turned the machine back off. And now, of course, as always, unplug the machine. I highly recommend using one of these magnets for organizing your hardware. Now there's two Phillips head screws on the back holding the top of the dryer down. So we got to undo these two screws first, one on the left side, and then there's another one over here on the right side. After getting the screws out, put your hands on either side and pull the top back and remove the top.
How's it going?
It's going. Okay.
So as I just said, it doesn't turn.
Yeah. Belt seems to be intact here, so we got to get up inside it, get underneath, see what's going on with the motor.
Do you need to pull that out? You can if you need to.
Well, I'll be disassembling it and putting the pieces out into the hallway there. Next, there are 4 plastic tabs connecting the user interface to the body of the dryer. Pull those back gently, exposing 2 wire harnesses connecting the user interface to the control board. Gently remove those, then pull the user interface and set it aside. Next, there are 6 screws connecting the door and the facade of the dryer to the body of the machine. The first 2 are behind the door. Make note of this hardware when you put it aside, because all the screws on this machine are the same, except these 2 have washers connected to them. Put those screws aside, and the next 4 are along the top here. With the screws removed, pop the facade back, exposing the wire harness to the door switch. Gently remove the door switch, then lift up and put the facade to the side. Unscrew the 4 screws on the cross support, then remove the cross support and put it to the side. Remove the screw attaching the control box to the cross support. Behind the cross support, there are twisties holding the wire harnesses to the cross support. You'll have to remove them before putting the cross support to the side. There are 4 screws attaching the bulkhead to the frame of the machine. Remove all 4. There is 1 more screw over here attached to the blower housing. After removing 5 screws, lift up and pull the bulkhead away from the frame of the machine. Once the blower wheel was exposed, it was obvious why the machine was not turning. And you could hear the motor running, but the machine wasn't turning because there was a shirt stuck here in the blower wheel, jamming it up. So once it senses that it's jammed, it just shuts itself down. So there you have it. Easy fix this time. Just disassembling the machine. Now all there's left to do is to reassemble the machine and show the customer the happy results. Reattach the bulkhead to the left side of the frame first. Then close it like a book, attaching it to the right side. Don't forget to plug back in the moisture sensor underneath. Reattach the screw to the blower housing, then all 4 screws securing the bulkhead to the frame. I seem to have lost the footage for the rest of the reassemble. When reassembling the cross support, the facade, and the user interface, make sure you connect all the wire harnesses. After reassembling the machine, plug it back in, turn it on, and verify that the drum is now in fact turning.
Okay, you're working.
Alright, so we just finished with the symptoms of the Samsung dryer that was turning on and it wasn't spinning. It was just making a buzzing sound. We took that thing apart, got it on video, show you there, and there was a t-shirt stuck in the blower wheel. It must have gotten sucked in through the lint catcher. They ran a load without the lint catcher and it got pulled in through there. So I disassembled it, pulled that thing out, put it back together, turned it on, and everything worked fine. Happy customer. So get out and get some, people. It's a beautiful day.